Introducing Gliptic, an innovative made-in-India solution for emergency evacuation broadcast and fire telephone systems. Designed for seamless compatibility with any fire alarm panel worldwide, Gliptic enhances life safety in buildings with cost-effective, reliable, and universal technology. And most importantly, the Gliptic system fits within your existing fire alarm architecture, making installation and retrofitting seamless. Fire safety guidelines like UL-FM or NFPA 72 require reliable voice communication from the Fire Command Center, ensuring fire telephones and broadcast systems work together for evacuation and paging. Gliptic complies with international guidelines, allowing fire alarm inputs to trigger pre-recorded evacuation announcements, while the fire telephone system enables live, two-way talkback without conflicts. In the market, many premium international fire alarm brands offer combined telephone and broadcast solutions, but they typically tie you into closed, expensive ecosystems that require complete overhauls. With Gliptic, you get the same functionality, universal compatibility, reduced costs, and made-in-India reliability. And because Gliptic fits directly into your current fire alarm architecture, there's no need to replace wiring or infrastructure. Let's see Gliptic in action. First, press the pager button select Zone 1 switch and make announcement for Zone 1
Hello, testing, hello.
and see
Hello,
Speaker 1
testing.
activates.
Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, testing. Hello, hello. Hello, testing. Hello, hello.
Now, select Zone 2, announce and Speaker 2 activates.
Hello, testing. Hello, hello. Testing zone 2. Hello, testing zone 2. Hello, testing zone 2. Hello, hello. Testing, hello. Hello.
Finally, press All Call, make an announcement and both
Hello,
speakers
hello,
activate
hello,
together.
Testing, hello, hello, testing, all call, hello, hello, testing, all call, hello.
Manual evacuation is simple. Press the evac button, enter password 2222 and the pre-recorded evac message starts playing in the controller. With no zone selected, no output. Select Zone 1, Speaker 1 plays the message.
Attention, attention. Please evacuate the building immediately.
Select Zone 2, Speaker 2 plays.
the building immediately. Attention, attention. Please evacuate the building immediately. Attention, attention.
Press All Call, both speakers broadcast simultaneously.
Evacuate the building immediately. Attention, attention. Please evacuate the building immediately.
Now, integrated with the notifier panel. Trigger a smoke detector with aerosol spray. An alarm comes to the fire alarm panel, and instantly the Gliptic system broadcasts the evacuation message across all zones.
Attention, attention. Please evacuate the building immediately. Attention, attention. Please evacuate the building immediately. Attention, attention. Please evacuate the building immediately. Attention, attention.
When the fire panel is silenced, the announcement stops immediately. Next, the Gliptic addressable fire telephone system. You can see there are 3 fire telephone jacks addressed as FT1, FT2 and FT3. Lift FT3 handset. The controller rings and displays address 003. Lift the receiver from the controller and it connects to FT3.
Hello.
Now, lift FT1, controller rings showing 001.
Hello.
Hello.
While on call, remove the jack from FT1 and insert into FT2. Instantly, the controller rings to 002, and by pressing the receive button, it connects to FT2. This ensures reliable, addressable two-way emergency communication across your facility. Glyptic is the next generation of emergency broadcast and addressable fire telephone systems, universally compatible, globally acceptable, and proudly made in India. Whether for new projects or retrofits, Glyptic simplifies integration, installs quickly within your existing fire alarm architecture, reduces costs, and enhances life safety. Contact us today for a live demo or installation.